What if I told you that you could seriously transform your body in just 3 weeks? Today, I'll break down a gym workout so effective it feels illegal, built on 4 time-tested moves that pack on crazy muscle. And stay till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to combine them into one brutally effective workout plan. Now let's kick things off with the king of all exercises, the barbell squat. Picture this. You walk into the gym, load the bar, step under it, and suddenly everyone respects you a little more. The barbell squat isn't just an exercise. It's a full-body negotiation with gravity. When you squat, you're not only hammering your quads and glutes, you're waking up your hamstrings, calves, core, lower back, and even your upper body as it fights to keep you upright. This massive muscle involvement is exactly why squats are a muscle-building cheat code. They create a hormonal response that tells your body, we need more muscle everywhere. That's why, in just 3 weeks, squats don't just make your legs thicker, they make your whole body feel denser and stronger. From a performance standpoint, squats teach your body how to produce force from the ground up. Everyday strength, athletic power, posture, stability, it all starts here. Mentally, they build grit. Every heavy set is a short story of doubt, focus, panic, and victory. That psychological adaptation is part of why progress accelerates so fast when squats are programmed correctly. To do the barbell squat, keep your chest proud, brace your core like you're about to cough, push your knees slightly out, and drive through your midfoot, not your toes, not your heels. Depth matters, but control matters more. Own every rep. Here's a quick fact that'll blow your mind. The heaviest raw squat ever recorded is almost 1,100 pounds lifted by Ray Williams in 2019. That's like squatting a fully grown rhinoceros, or stacking 5 grand pianos on your back, or lifting a small car while sitting down and standing back up. And somehow, the human body said, yeah, we can do that. Now that your lower body has officially declared war on weakness, it's time to build the kind of upper body strength that makes standing still look intimidating. And for that, we need the military press. The military press is brutally honest. No bench, no momentum, nowhere to hide. You stand tall, bar in your hands, and press weight directly over your head. Just you versus gravity. This movement builds boulder shoulders, thick triceps, and a rock-solid upper chest. But its real magic is what it demands from the rest of your body. Your core has to lock in to prevent leaning back. Your glutes squeeze to stabilize your pelvis. Even your upper back works overtime to keep the bar path clean. It's a full-body lift disguised as a shoulder exercise. In a 3-week muscle-building phase, the military press is gold because it strengthens weak links fast. As your shoulders grow, your pressing strength improves everywhere else. That means better bench presses, better posture, and a more powerful-looking upper frame. It also teaches body control under load, a skill that carries over to every compound lift you'll ever do. There's also something psychologically powerful about pressing weight overhead. It feels primal. Each rep says, I can put heavy things where they don't want to go. That confidence translates outside the gym too. Suddenly, you stand taller without thinking about it. To execute this exercise correctly, grip the bar just outside shoulder width, start with the bar resting on your upper chest, squeeze your glutes, brace your abs, and press the bar straight up, moving your head slightly back, then through. No excessive lean back. Smooth, controlled reps win here. Quick side note, friends. If you're serious about building muscle, gaining strength, and losing fat at the same time, my workout and nutrition ebooks break everything down, step by step. They go way deeper than what we can cover in this video. Links waiting for you in the description. Now, your shoulders are fired up, your arms are pumped, but strength isn't complete until you can pull your own body through space. Enters the mighty pull-up. Pull-ups are the ultimate reality check. The bar doesn't care how big your arms look, it only cares if you can lift your body. And that's exactly why pull-ups are so effective for building muscle fast. They hammer your lats, upper back, biceps, forearms, and deep core muscles all at once. As your lats grow wider, your waist appears smaller, creating that classic V taper everyone chases. In just 3 weeks, consistent pull-up work dramatically improves neuromuscular efficiency. Translation? Your body learns to recruit more muscle fibers at the same time. That's why reps increase quickly and muscle shows up faster than expected. Pull-ups also improve shoulder health when done correctly, balancing out all the pressing work and keeping your joints happy while you grow. There's a mental toughness element here too. Every set starts with a dead hang. No momentum, no shortcuts. You pull, pause, lower, repeat. It's discipline in motion. And yes, if you can't do many reps yet, that's perfectly fine. Assisted pull-ups or controlled negatives still build serious muscle and strength when effort is high. To perform the pull-up, start from a dead hang. Engage your shoulder blades first. Pull your elbows down toward your ribs and bring your chest toward the bar. Control the descent. Half the gains live there. In just a few minutes, I'll show you a full workout plan that combines all these exercises into one brutally effective routine. So stick with me. We're almost there. Now your back is wider. Your arms are screaming, but there's one classic movement left that ties the entire upper body together. I'm talking about the bench press. The bench press is iconic for a reason. Lie back, unrack the bar, and suddenly you're testing how much force your chest, shoulders, and triceps can produce together. When programmed intelligently, the bench press builds thick, dense pecs while reinforcing pressing strength that carries into almost every sport and daily movement. What makes the bench press especially powerful in a short 3-week muscle phase is mechanical tension. Heavy, controlled reps stretch and contract the chest under load, sending a clear signal to your body: adapt now. Combine that with progressive overload, and visible changes happen fast. The bench also teaches coordination. Your legs drive into the floor, your upper back stays tight, and your arms press as one unit. Done right, it's a full body lift performed on a bench. Beyond aesthetics, bench pressing builds confidence. There's something deeply satisfying about adding weight to the bar and knowing you earned it. And when your chest grows, everything you wear fits differently, in a good way. Here's how to do the bench press. Plant your feet firmly. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Keep a slight arch in your lower back. Lower the bar to mid-chest with control. Then press explosively while staying tight. So no, you don't just walk into the gym. Do these randomly and hope for the best. Let me save you the guesswork and show you exactly how to combine into one effective routine. Train 4 days per week, alternating 2 upper body and 2 lower body focus sessions. Day 1. Barbell squats for 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps, followed by pull-ups for 4 sets of max controlled reps. Day 2. Bench press for 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Military press for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Rest 1 day, then repeat. Keep rest periods around 1 to 2 minutes and aim to add a small amount of weight or reps each session. Now, while these exercises are more than enough to change your body in just 3 weeks, I know some of you don't have access to a gym or any equipment at all. Don't worry, you can still get incredible results. The video popping up on your screen right now breaks it all down step by step.